Hope you guys are fine. And today we came here in Sharjah, in Rola, and we are going to show you the heritage of Sharjah. See this. This is a Sharjah wall built by property of government of Sharjah, and it's a heritage of old Sharjah. See this wall. It's the longest wall here. And it is made up of bricks, small bricks. See. Come inside. Come inside. See this roof, wooden roof. See, this is bamboo stick, and I don't know what is this. Which
This is some bamboo sticks, always bamboo sticks.
Bamboo sticks, always bamboo sticks. And see this gate. It's a wooden gate. Fully means compacted wooden, huh? And there are some irons. Come inside. Come, baby, come. See this area. This is right.
This is the old houses. Is the mark of the old memories of their local citizens.
This is heritage, but now there is CFL. Electric light.
This is written there in Arabic, Rimil Fala and Sajil Arabia. Something is house's name is there. Now that time is not anybody here because the market is empty. No means something is. I don't know why is no people is there.
It's means test place, man.
This is
going
Sabanatul
on,
Awab. Yeah.
Then this will pull, and they will put some stalls here and there, everywhere. Show them these all stalls.
Yeah. There all the stalls. Where is you can.
One thing I want to show you guys. You know this tea ketli? बाबा हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको चाय की केतली, जो अरेबियंस का बहुत ही पसंदीदा चीज है. कहवा, जिसमें वो लोग कहवा रखते हैं ना, वो. See this.
There is nobody, only we are four people here walking around this.
पूरा फुल मिट्टी से बनाया हुआ है. इतनी जबरदस्त कलाकारी. See this? देख इसको दिखा कैसे रूफ जो बनाया ना, ये बम्बो स्टिक डाला बीच में. सॉरी बम्बो स्टिक नहीं, कुछ वुड का, लकड़ी का.
यो। अब इस चीज़ को ख़त्म करने जा रहे हैं भाई। नाउ इट्स द टाइम टू शट डाउन। ओके, और इसी तरह की वीडियोस देखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने जानने वालों के साथ। तब तक के लिए आपका होस्ट, आपका दोस्त जायद चलता है। खुदा हाफ़िज़, दुआओं में याद रखना और अपनी हिफाजत करना।